You have to say cheese. You have to say cheese. You have to say cheese.
It's good to teach her. She can't talk right now.
You have to say fish. Fish my baby feet. Okay?
Can baby sister have what Serena's having for dinner or no? She's too little?
She's cute.
Too little for what?
For eating hash brown.
Oh.
Baby, you have robot. Did you have to cry with robot? Okay?
It's nice of you to share the robot.
I'm gonna show a robot for you. Okay? And you have bear. You have bear. You have bear. Okay? Bear behind you. See? Baby sister. Baby sister, look at me. I want to with you, baby. Oh, I'll just say in a hurry for you. Okay? Yeah. You sit in a hurry for baby.
Sure, you can sit in the hallway for baby sister.
No, I just sit in the couch.
Okay.
You just have to cry. You have your binky.
Let's not touch her binky, honey. Can mommy help?
You just came out.
Did you came out?
Yeah.
Wanna try doing pat pat?
You can do pat pat. She likes it when Serena does pat pat.
Here for you. And this robot. Okay, baby? It's the robot. Behind you, babe. Behind you, baby.
What's baby sister's name?
Baby sister.
What's her name?
Baby sister.
Does she have a name?
Yeah.
What's her name?
No, you don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. You don't have to cry.
Maybe if you do pat pat, it might be better.